My name's Cameron. I'm going to teach you how to tray flip. I see white pants on. What you first want to do is get your feet in a good position. Frankly, I recommend, let me turn this way. Recommend like your foot in my pocket right there. Front flip out right there. Point to this corner up here, like that. And once you do it, kind of lean back, not too much. Catch it, it'll be straight. And by the way, now you're about to get some first try. Just keep working at it, and you should get them. It's my tray flip trick. Good.